Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will use this Elmers Clear glue and I will try to do a reverse flower dip, cup bottom reverse flower dip with my flower shaped cups, just to see if we can get the same result. And I mixed 1:1 with my paints, and then I added water to consistency, and this is my consistency. Leaves the mound and disappears. So I don't know what will happen, but let's try. And tomorrow at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, tomorrow Saturday, I will use Elmer's school glue. And we will see what will happen. This consistency is so different, so I really don't know. I think that it's a little, my background, it's a little thick. I'm using just little 8 by 8 inch canvas, and I will pour this back up. I normally do this off camera, so because it's a messy part. Doris from Doris ATDF Designs sent me some paints to try and school glue, so tomorrow will be the day that I will use school glue. And probably I will do tomorrow dip and lip, but today just for the clear glue experiment, I will do cup bottom reverse flower dip. Have to torch this a little bit, because with glue you always get a lot of air bubbles that I'm not used to with my, and where is my middle? I will just use this ruler to kind of find the middle. You can use whatever you are familiar with. Okay, let me change this angle, and I will start with Windsor&Newton Opera Rose. And then will be my pearl white. I mixed my pearl white the same, Vallejo pearl medium mixed with Amsterdam titanium white, and mix those two together, and then mix these two with 1:1 with pouring medium, clear glue and water to consistency. And this one is Persian Rose Amsterdam. And I think that I did add too much pearl white. Pearl white again. So different consistency with glue. And this is golden permanent violet dip. It's so different working with glue because it's, you know, like more sticky consistency, or how can I say. Pearl white again. Where is my opera rose? And opera rose. And pearl white again. So many air bubbles. And Persian rose. I should probably mix this day before. I'm not used to do that with my pouring medium because I don't have those air bubbles like I have with glue. And pearl white again. And permanent violet dip. And I think that this will be it. I don't think that I will turn my cup. I will just leave this like it is, probably. Not probably, definitely. And I will draw some petals. Just have to grab a towel, a napkin. I will draw some petals and lift this up. And what I have problems with glue is that my paint just spreading and spreading and spreading. Let's see what will happen with this clear glue, and I will torch this for the air bubbles because there are a ton of them. And let me grab my napkin, and I will spray it with water a little bit. Where is my spray bottle? Here it is. When you are used to one pouring medium, it's always hard when you try different one because, you know, it's different. So let me put my napkin down. Up. And the other half. Okay. And to the lifting part. Grab these two corners and these two corners. And this one. And it's stickier to work with napkin too, with the glue. So weird. So sticky. I can feel. And now I will leave this straight up. And I did an awful job with lifting, but wow, I did get some nice lacing. Wow, just don't know how to fix this one petal here. Let's try to tilt this a little bit. Without ruining everything, and back to the middle. Didn't do the best job with it, but still I love it. I just hope that the lacing will stay. Let me try to do this just to I don't know, help this part, this petal a little bit. And I have a little bit of blank canvas here on the sides, but I normally do this off camera, but one of my viewers on one of my last videos commented that I had so here is a close-up, not a perfect flower with the shape, but I did get some nice lacing. I hope that it will not just grow and grow and grow like with I think that I used glue all when that happened, or Floetrol, I don't remember even. So I will show you what will happen in tomorrow's live. If this will drying okay, I will use it more, but I am a little afraid that it will grow like the other glues were growing, and because they grow too much, they just don't keep the shape. How can I say? I did show some results with this issue, or how can I say? So this was an experiment, cup bottom reverse flower dip with Elmers Clear glue. I think that this glue you can use for slime too, so I don't know. So this is it for today, and if you are free, you can join me on my live stream tomorrow, Saturday, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or see you on the next one. Bye!